Hi guys, in this video you're gonna learn how to use ChatGPT to earn money. So to do that, open your browser and go to the chat.openai.com, and in here you can now see the official website of ChatGPT. So how to earn money with ChatGPT? A lot of people uh, makes a job about marketing proposals, creating a template files, or even copywriting. And those jobs and services takes a lot of time and effort. But in this AI, it can help those people whose job is to create those services and get paid. Example, about copywriting. Let's write an article. Example, write an article about climate change. Then tap search, and you can see now the article that you can make, you can improve to write and to send to your client. Next, how about marketing proposal? So let's type a marketing proposal about burger business. Then tap search, and you can now see a marketing proposal for burger business. Last, if you're creating a template files, you can also use ChatGPT. Example, a template, a template file or files about burger business. And you can now see a burger business template. So that's how to use ChatGPT to earn money. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.